So now my little girl's fishing right in the margin, right there. And zoom in to the float and see if we get any bites. Lift that rod up just a little bit, my darling. So that's it, you stay there. Oh! You got a fish. Yeah, keep it with two hands. Right, you hold it tightly. Hey, we got your first fish.
I got my first fish.
Here's Brookie's first fish. Do you want to hold him?
Yeah.
Yeah? But don't we? Yeah. You hold him.
Yeah.
You got him there?
Yeah.
Be on and underneath.
He's so good.
Yeah, smile. You stroke him. There you are, see? Nice and smooth. Let's put him back.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.